When you sign up to Zenler using the link below this video, you will get access to the starter kit for Zenler, where I walk through how you can launch your own online course, membership, or community within minutes. With Zenler, you have access to an all-in-one platform, and that means that if you want, you can even host your own website using Zenler. But it also has built-in features for email marketing, for lead funnels. You can add as many communities as you want, both free and paid. You can run your live classes, your webinars, and one-on-one coaching, and run that through Zenler, and courses and memberships. So this is an all-in-one platform. So in order to get started, all you need to do is click the link below this video and then click this button where it says Get Started Free. And here you simply fill out these form fields, and for site name you can choose whatever you want for now. You can change that later. Once completed, click Sign Up, and you will be prompted to input your cell phone number. Now, this is important. This is only for verification of your account. So input your cell phone number, and you will receive a text message with a verification code. So once that has been entered, you get instant access to your Zenler platform, and you can start adding your courses and memberships and discover these other features as well. But I will be walking through those features once you completed your sign up, because then I will get notified so that I can send you the starter kit for Zenler. So, you ready to do this? Click below this video, sign up, and I will help you get started through the starter kit for Zenler. See you in a bit.